fire of Akhirah and Dunya has been reserved for the enemies of Fatima. I'll give an example. Syria. What's happening in Sham. Many things have happened. And you've seen and witnessed many things. And you'll see much more. But one of the videos that has caught attention is that these Syrian rebels, they ransacked the grave in Latakia of Bashar al-Assad's father, Hafiz al-Assad. You seen the video? They dig the grave, they bring out his coffin, the Syrian rebels, the grave of Hafiz al-Assad, they destroy it, they open it, they bring out the coffin, and what do? They set it alight. They put it on fire. And then they're cheering, Allahu Akbar. Why? And if you ask them, why do you do that? They say, look, he was an unpunished criminal. We hold him responsible for many of the murders of women and children and men. Now, whether that was right or wrong, I'm not getting into that. Whether it should have been done or not, or what his past was, I have nothing to do with that. Neither am I here to discuss. But that burning of the coffin of the father of Assad has taught us a very important lesson. That if tomorrow Imam Sahibul Asr wa Zaman digs up a few graves, that if we have some narrations in our books that Sahibul Zaman will come up and dig some unpunished criminals who have been known to kill and injure some of the most religious personalities within the religion of Islam. The daughter of Muhammed and her unborn child, Muhsin. And if you have certain narrations that say that Imam Sahibul Zaman will do the same to the enemies of Fatima, then at least the Syrian rebels and those in the Arab and Muslim world that cheered them will have no right to complain.